Hi, I'm Michael Rogan, the founder of Rogan & Associates Financial Planners. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the current headlines and why, as always, you're misinformed. Recently, the citizens of Great Britain voted in a non-binding referendum to exit the European Union, also known as Brexit. And they voted this way because evidently the majority of people there that voted anyway are tired of having the majority of their rules and laws made for them by an unelected body based in Brussels, not based in Great Britain whatsoever. They're a little bit tired of a slower growth economy, higher unemployment, etc. The media pundits have let us know that this is going to be terrible for the entire world economy, especially the United States economy, and they've created some panic out there. So let's review. The folks in Great Britain, in a non-binding referendum, voted basically to leave the European Union and renegotiate the trade agreements that they have with that country and other European countries. Still hard for me to figure out how this is bad news for the United States, but let's figure that out a little bit. This would, of course, open the door for the United States to negotiate unilaterally with Great Britain, the fifth largest economy in the world, for favorable trade agreements between our two countries, which would then pressure the other European countries to renegotiate their deals over the next 2 or 3 years. Now, you may have heard that Great Britain runs a trade deficit with other European countries. And because of our news media, you may hear the word trade deficit as a bad thing. What it really means is their economy is stronger than the other economies, so their people buy more of the other country's stuff than the other country's people buy of their stuff. That's how you run a trade deficit. So if it's a $50 billion trade deficit with Germany, do you think Germany will not renegotiate that trade deal? But of course, that would not make a great headline. So ultimately, the bottom line of the Brexit vote, should it be carried through and should they exit the European Union, will be a greater opportunity for capitalism and a greater opportunity for freer trade. It may actually start other countries in Europe to fight back against the large bureaucracy that is holding that economy and that of all that region back for sub 2% growth and 10% plus unemployment throughout the region. Like many things you've heard before, this will probably turn out to be very good news, but by the time it is good news, we're not going to remember they told us it was going to be terrible news, because they'll be on to telling us something else is terrible news. You remember when Greece was going to tank the entire world economy when they left the European Union and they defaulted on their debt? Greece, with the economic output of the city of Detroit. Remember Detroit filed bankruptcy, and I'm not sure upstate Michigan recognized that they did. The bottom line is this is yet another headline-grabbing story that will have no impact on a well-designed, well-diversified portfolio designed for the long-term success of your financial plan. So as always, stay the course. I'm Michael Rogan, the founder of Rogan & Associates Financial Planners. Thank you for listening.